What if I told you there was a way to create viral videos using AI? That's right, with artificial intelligence, you can now create videos more likely to be seen, shared, and liked by millions of people. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use AI tools to create viral videos. I'll cover everything from choosing the right tools to creating engaging content, to enhancing your videos with AI features. Once you've chosen the right AI tools, you need to create engaging content. This is the most important step as it will determine whether or not your video goes viral. Here are some tips for creating engaging content. Use trending topics. Trending topics are the key to viral videos. People are more likely to watch and share videos about topics that are currently popular. To find trending topics, you can use an AI tool like vidIQ's Global Rising Keywords tool. So, what does it do? Well, in this fast-paced world, what's hot today might not be tomorrow. People are searching for new things all the time. And if you can catch the wave just as it's rising, your video could ride the viral wave to the top. By choosing this AI tool, you're positioning your content to be seen and shared by more people. Using it is as easy as pie. Log in, find the tool, and discover a list of trending searches that are gaining speed. Choose a keyword that fits your content, and you're on your way to creating a spot-on video. Hook your audience in the first few seconds. The first few seconds of your video are crucial for grabbing your audience's attention. Start with a strong hook, such as a question, a shocking statement, or a funny clip. For that, you can use tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard. Keep your videos short and to the point. People's attention spans are shorter than ever, so it's important to keep them short and to the point. Aim for videos that are no longer than 2 to 3 minutes. Use high-quality visuals. People love watching and sharing visually appealing videos, and Adobe Spark makes it a breeze. This free online tool lets you create professional graphics, videos, and web pages in minutes, with no design experience required. Craft custom YouTube visuals like intros, outros, thumbnails, and end screens. You can start from scratch or enhance existing videos with text, images, and music. What sets Adobe Spark apart is its AI magic. Smart Resize, powered by AI, automatically adjusts visuals for various platforms, be it YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter. Add a call to action. Tell your viewers what you want them to do after watching your video. This could be anything from subscribing to your channel to visiting your website. Once you've created your video, you can use AI to enhance it and make it more likely to go viral. Here are a few ways to use AI to enhance your video. AI voiceovers. AI voiceovers can add a professional touch to your videos. Now, hiring a professional voiceover artist can be expensive and time-consuming. But Murph AI is a free and easy-to-use AI voiceover tool that can help you create realistic and engaging voiceovers for your YouTube videos. To create a voiceover with Murph AI, simply enter your text and choose a voice. Murph AI will then generate a high-quality audio file that you can download and use in your video later. AI subtitles. AI subtitles can make your videos more accessible to a wider audience. You can use AI to generate subtitles in a variety of languages. Viewers are more likely to watch and share videos with subtitles. So if you're looking for a way to create high-quality subtitles for your YouTube videos that will help you go viral without having to hire a professional, Subtitle B is a great option. Subtitle B is a free online AI subtitle generator that can help you create high-quality subtitles for your YouTube videos in over 120 languages. It's very easy to use. To create subtitles with Subtitle B, simply upload your video and choose the language you want to generate subtitles in. Subtitle B will then generate subtitles for your video automatically. You can then edit the subtitles and download them as a subtitle file. AI video editing. With AI video editing tools, you can make your videos shine like a pro. Here are the top 3 that can give your content that polished, professional touch. Descript. First up is Descript. Descript is a powerful AI video editing tool that can help you create high-quality viral videos quickly and easily. It offers a variety of features that are perfect for creating videos, for different social media platforms and for different audiences. It offers AI-powered features such as automatic transcription, text-to-speech, video cloning, video templates, music and sound effects, and much more. Plus, it offers a free plan allowing you to edit up to 3 hours of video per month. InVideo AI. Next, we've got InVideo AI. InVideo AI is another popular AI video editing tool that offers a variety of features such as automatic video editing, text-to-video, and voiceovers. In addition to these features, InVideo AI also offers a variety of other tools and features that can be helpful for creating viral videos, such as stock footage and images, music and sound effects, analytics, and much more. The free plan lets you create up to 10 minutes of video per month. Flicky. If you're into short, snappy social media videos, meet your new best friend, Flicky. This lightweight AI video editing tool is designed for quick, up till pay for it until you're monetized, engaging video creation. No video editing experience is needed. Flicky's got your back. It's that user-friendly. Pick a template, add your content, and let Flicky do the rest. So if you're all about quick, engaging videos, Flicky is here to turn your ideas into reality. And best of all, you can whip up 10 videos per month for free. So there you have it. You now know how to use AI tools to create viral videos. By following the tips in this video, you can use AI tools to create viral videos that are engaging, informative, and visually appealing. But before you go off and start creating, here's a quick question. What's one AI tool you're most excited to use to create your next viral video? Let us know in the comments below.